drive. I want to see how you do.
What?
Keep going in a circle. That's the first time driving. I want to see how she drives. I let the blade go. No, hey, Nelly. Don't go close. You're not allowed to go close yet. You're gonna knock my whole house down. She ran into that pole, Mom. You're not supposed to get that close. Natalie, come back. You're gonna knock the fence down. You need to come back this way. Come this way. You probably need a goggle. Stop. Okay, push open. Push it open. Now you can get off. Okay, are you ready?
What?
You ready to cut it? You gotta go get a goggle. Wait, not yet. Go get sunglasses. Out my truck. Huh? Mom's gonna try. Go in the back of my truck. In my truck. Forward. When you pull both back and lock. When you pull left and right turn. Back and stop. If you open it and lock it, that means you can get off of it. It parks. You want to go forward, you push both forward. To move forward, you push both forward. Both together, go straight. Pull back to stop, and then open to get out. That's a brake. Yeah, that's good.